Updating your legal profile on Planview 2026 is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Login. Access the Planview 2026 platform by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid login issues. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate the profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your name or profile icon to access your personal information. Step 3. Edit legal information. In your profile settings, find the section labeled Legal Information or similar. Click on the Edit button to modify your legal details, such as your name, address, or any other relevant legal data. Step 4. Review changes. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SORG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save and confirm. Once you are satisfied with your updates, click the Save button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your legal profile has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can keep your legal profile on Planview 2026 up to date. Regular updates help maintain compliance and ensure that your information is always accurate.